You have received a revenue list that you want to analyze by country. You want to select a certain country, and Excel will present you the revenues for this country. The SUMIF function will help you to calculate it. This learning module will show you how to use the SUMIF function and what you have to pay attention to. Use the SUMIF function if you want to add up only those numbers that meet certain criteria. For instance, you want to display all revenues for the United States of America. To do this calculation, click in the cell where you want the results to be displayed. Then launch the Function Wizard by clicking this button. In the now opening Insert Function dialog box, select the function you want to insert. To select a certain category, click this arrow button first and select Math and Trigonom from the drop-down list. If the function you are looking for does not appear right away, scroll up or down. Double-click the SUMIF function to select it. The SUMIF function requires 3 arguments. The range argument is the range that you want to analyze and that has to meet your search criterion. So in this case, it's the column with the country names. Click in the first row and press the Ctrl and Shift and arrow down keys to select all cells in this column. The range in the function arguments now shows the selected range of values. Now specify your search criteria. Simply click in the cell that contains your search criterion to do this. If your search criterion is not in your table, you can also type it directly into the formula bar. SUMRange specifies the range of cells of which the contents will be added up if the criteria is met. So select the cells that contain the revenues. Click in the first row and press the Ctrl and Shift and arrow down keys to select all cells in this column. All necessary arguments for the function SUMIF have now been specified. The range of comparison, the search criteria to be met in the range to be compared, and the range that contains the cells to be added up. Confirm your entries by clicking OK. All revenues that have been achieved with the sales in the USA have been added up in the cell containing the formula.